Bonjour et bienvenue à la chaîne Begin French with Richa. So in today's video we will learn about les adjectifs démonstratifs, which means demonstrative adjective in French. So what are the demonstrative adjectives in English? Means those terms which point out something or someone, as this is school, that boy, these men, those ladies, etc. So in this video we will discuss such terms along with the examples in French, of course. So let's move on quickly. So first of all, focus on the first l'adjectif démonstratif, which means a demonstrative adjective. It's ce. As you can see on the left hand side of the board, we have 4 different terms for this demonstrative adjective. Why? Because the entire French vocabulary, all the nouns in French are either categorized under masculine and feminine, masculine and feminine. That's why we have these 4 different terms for demonstrative adjective. So let's focus on the very first term, ce. Ce. Ce referring to this or that. Ce referring to this or that. And where we will use this ce? We will use this ce term with the masculine singular nouns. Those nouns which are masculine in gender and in singular form. Then you have to use this term ce referring this or that. Like for example, if you have to say this book or that book, you will say ce livre, ce livre. As livre is a book and it is masculine in gender, ce livre, this book or that book. Now another example you can take this boy or that boy. So you will say ce garçon, ce garçon. So this boy or that boy, ce garçon. Now if any masculine noun is beginning with a vowel A, E, I, O, U including the silent H, A, E, I, O, U including silent H, then you can't use ce, and instead of ce you have to use cette, C-E-T, cette. Cette to be used with masculine gender nouns beginning with a vowel A, E, I, O, U including H, silent H, H, muet. So the first example of such category is avion. Avion. Avion is an aeroplane in French. Avion, and it is beginning with a vowel. So you will say cet avion. Cet avion. And while like pronouncing, you have to link the vowel and the consonant. It is must in French. So cet avion. Cet avion. This or that aeroplane. Now the second is Om. Om. It is beginning with the H muet silent H. It is an example of the silent H. Om. Om is a man, and you have to use then the cet term, cet homme. Cet homme. Again the linking of the vowel and the consonant. Cet homme. Only with the masculine singular nouns beginning with the vowel. Now another example of the same category beginning with the vowel is oiseau. Oiseau, beginning with O. Oiseau. Oiseau is a bird. Oiseau. Oiseau is also masculine in gender and beginning with a vowel. Then you have to use cet oiseau. Cet oiseau. Again the linking of the vowel and the consonant. Cet oiseau. Cet oiseau. Now the third category, if you have to use this or that with feminine gender nouns beginning with a vowel or a consonant, both, but feminine gender nouns and the singular noun, then you have to use cette. Cette, referring to this or that. Now the first example of this category is robe. Robe. Robe is a dress and it is feminine in gender. So you will use cette robe. Cette robe. This or that dress. Cette robe. Now the another term is horloge. Horloge. It is beginning with a vowel. Notice it is beginning with a vowel, but it is feminine in gender. Horloge. Horloge is a wall clock. Horloge. So doesn't matter it is beginning with a vowel, but it is feminine. Then you have to use cette horloge. Cette horloge. Cette horloge. So cette horloge. This or that wall clock. Now the fourth category is say. Say is referring to these or those. So as the term suggests, you have to use this term with the plural category nouns, either masculine or feminine. So how you will say? Suppose if you have to say these books, say livre, say livre. So these books. So in like making the plural, generally what we do as in English, same in French, we have to put an S in the end of the noun. Say livre. So these books. Another category, say robe, say robe. So these dresses. Earlier it was cette robe. Now it is say robe, these dresses. Say robe, these dresses. Now the next is, it's beginning with a vowel, but it is like plural. So you will say horloge, say horloge. Otherwise the individual sound is horloge, horloge, wall, clocks. But in like pronouncing, again you have to link the vowel and the consonant. Say horloge, say horloge, these or those wall clocks. So similarly, like with the plural category nouns, you have you can make some more examples like this. Suppose with the oiseau as well, you can say these birds, you will say oiseaux, these birds, say oiseaux. In this oiseau, you have to put an X instead of S. Some rules and regulations are there in making the plural. We will discuss in the upcoming videos for sure. Say oiseaux. So that's the concept of les adjectifs démonstratifs, which means a demonstrative adjective. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, so please do share it with French language learners and do subscribe the channel as well. So hope to meet you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Au revoir.